Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now this is the Asooke V-neck that I'm going to be showing you guys how to sew. It is very simple. Now this is after I've gone ahead to cut my dress. It's going to be a kaftan, like an A-line dress. I went ahead to also cut the V-neck. The V-neck I did 10 inches from the shoulder line. Then you have to iron your center so that you have that crease line, because it is very important in this tutorial. After that, I'm going to drop it and let's work on the Asooke. So this is the Asooke. You buy your Asooke because you are going to do, if you are going to fix on the sleeve and on the V-neck, so you can just buy 4,000 naira Asooke, like one pack, half pack. So just take one of it, cut it into two, then you place them on each other. Make sure the edges are lined together, like they matches each other, and I'm going to use your pin to secure it down. So this is what I did. I used my pin to secure everything down. Then I'm going to take my dress. I'm going to take the Ankara dress and I'm going to place it. Now watch closely what I do, what I did rather, or what I do, whatever. So take the V side. Yes, the V side. You're going to place it on a straight line, so you can use your pin to also secure it so it doesn't move. You're going to place it on the straight line of the Asooke. Can you see? By the time you place it on the straight line, you now have a slanted Ankara on the Asooke. So leave some parts at the top parts for your shoulder line so you can cut it off, so you have a straight, you have the same shoulder as the Ankara shoulder. So I also pin it. Can you see? Then I'm going to take my chalk and my tape and I'll mark ½ inch from that slant line, from where the neck depth gets to. Yeah, so you just have to mark ½ inch all the way down. Now you don't have to do exact length that I'm doing, so wherever you want the Asooke V-neck to stop on your Ankara is what you are going to do. So I went ahead to now rule the ½ inch like a straight line, and I'll be cutting it off. Another way, if you don't want it to be long, just shift it from the shoulder point, shift it downward, then you can continue the way I continue here, so that your V-neck will not be too long. Or if you want it to be long, it is left for you. But I actually like what I did. Then you are going to cut it off. Cut off the ½ inch. You cut it. Yeah, you cut, leaving ½ inch the way you see me doing, like that, because we are going to be sewing on that ½ inch so that we can have our exact neck. Then this is me cutting off the shoulder points. Yeah, I cut off the shoulder points so that I can have the same shoulder as my Ankara. After that, I went ahead and remove it. Then you'll be sewing on that ½ inch like that. So when you sew and you open it up, it gives you something like this. Then you can go ahead and iron it. Can you see? You open the seam and you give it a very good press. I'll do that, then I'll come back and show you guys. After ironing, can you see? This is it. All the lines, everything matches with each other. All the V points, one single one is no longer than anyone. It is very simple. I got this trick actually from YouTube here, and I decided to share it to my subscribers or anybody that wants to watch. Yeah, so you now take your dress and you just place it on the V-neck. Now I went ahead to just shape out, to just cut out this small Asooke that is pointing out at the edge. Yeah, then you're going to place it on your neckline. The center part is very important, like I said. That's why I said iron it. That line, make sure everything aligns with each other, then use your pin to secure it down, and you're not going to sew the edge. When you sew, we are done with this tutorial. That is it, guys. Bye.